Alfa Romeo just dropped a surprise trim for its new 2026 model year Junior called the Sport Speciale. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video with the new Alfa Romeo Junior Sport Speciale for 2026. Now, Alfa Romeo has renewed the tradition of special series, combining elegance, sportiness, and advanced technology. And following the success of the Intensive version, this edition becomes a protagonist for the 2026 range, enhancing the dynamic character of the compact sports car. Now, the Junior Sport Speciale stands out for its new stylistic details, and refined materials are there as well, offering a unique and refined driving experience. Now, the project also integrates with the new Alfa Romeo Tonale, recently presented to the international press, underscoring the brand's commitment to combining design, performance, and technological innovation in all of its models. Now, the Junior is designed for those seeking a compact car with its authentic sporty spirit, yet an accessible positioning, where the new Junior Sport Speciale combines refined aesthetics with comprehensive equipment, positioning itself at the heart of a premium segment. Now, the exterior design stands out thanks to the gloss black body kit, embellishing with the silver accents on the side skirts and bumpers, and dedicated lower skid plates with specific finishes. We have 18-inch 4/8 alloy wheels with a two-tone matte maroon diamond cut finish, and the exclusive Sport Speciale badge that underscores its uniqueness on the front fender. Now, the tinted rear window is optional with the two-tone roof, available with all color variants in the range, complete with an unmistakable Alfa Romeo silhouette. Now, inside, the craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail is defined in a sophisticated atmosphere, where the heated, electronically adjustable seats feature exclusive perforated alcantara upholstery with a light color insert on the backrest and ice inserts on the front seats. The same material covers the dashboard, center console, and door panels, while the steering wheel, which combines leather and alcantara with contrasting stitching, offers the tactile sensation typical of the Alfa Romeo's sporty driving experience. Now, with that said, the luminous stitching and logo on the dashboard with the aluminum pedals and kick plate and the ambient lighting contribute to creating an exclusive atmosphere. Now, the Junior Sport Speciale can be further enhanced with the Techno package, from level 2 autonomous driving with the adaptive cruise control, traffic management, and lane keeping, to the Matrix LED headlights and navigation system with integrated TSI, standard on the Q4 versions, where every detail has been designed to enhance the driving experience and optimize safely. Now, it also includes a 180-degree rear view camera, 360-degree parking sensors, hands-free tailgate opening, wireless smartphone charging, power folding rear view mirrors with blind spot detection, an electrochromic interior rear view mirror, and 6-speaker audio system with front and rear USB ports. Now, the Cargo Flex Kit completes the package with improved luggage compartment management, while the panoramic roof is available as an option, along with a heated windshield for colder markets. Now, finally, the Sport Speciale's engine lineup includes a 145 horsepower front-wheel drive hybrid, a 145 horsepower Q4 all-wheel drive hybrid, and a 156 horsepower 100% electric BEV version, equipped with an onboard charger of up to 11 kilowatts. For the hybrid versions, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters are standard, offering a more direct and engaging driving experience. Now, the new Alfa Romeo Junior Sport Speciale is therefore a model with distinctive character, capable of strengthening the brand's sporty and premium identity, making every journey an authentic Alfa Romeo driving experience. But it's still not available here in the United States. So with that said, 2026 adding some extra flavor as Alfa Romeo does, spicing some things up here and there. It's a good look when it comes to the Alfa Romeo Junior. Don't expect any major changes, as the model just came out last year, so special trims is probably what you'll get throughout the year. But the Sport Speciale, adding in that true Alfa Romeo Italian flair. What do you guys think about the changes and upgrades? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description if you guys want to help further support the channel. Appreciate the love per usual. Thank you so much, guys. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.